Hello!
I am Tula, and that is Telmo.
No, Telmo. I'm Tula, and you are Telmo.
That's what I just said. I'm Tula, and you're Telmo.
Telmo.
All right, it was just a joke.
All right. Hello, my friends. Today's recipe is...
Can you imagine if I wasn't Telmo?
What?
Yes. What if I was Spider Telmo? And if you were Tula Witch?
I don't want to be Tula Witch or anything like that. I'm Tula, and that's it. Okay, let's get the recipe for today.
We're going to make yummy muffins.
Yes, that's it. Great. To make muffins, we will need
Paper and pencil.
that too, Telmo. But aside from that, the ingredients we will need are flour,
Eggs.
sugar,
Butter.
lemon shaving, yeast,
And crystal sugar.
let's get going.
Just a second, Tula. For those who do not know, crystal sugar is ground sugar. I mean, it's like powder.
Well said, Telmo.
Let's get to work.
Let's get a bowl that can be heated up.
And we throw in 2 eggs without the shell. And 1 cup of sugar. We only throw in the sugar. The cup is used to measure it.
That's very funny, Telmo.
I know.
This is ready now, and now we are going to need the help of our grown-up for various things. We need to ask them to preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
And to mix up the batter we just made in the kitchen so we can heat it in the double boiler.
Grown-up! Can you turn on the oven for us, please? To 350 degrees. Grown-up, can you move the contents of this bowl over to the double boiler that's on the stove?
To make a double boiler, we grab a pot that's a little bigger than the bowl and we add water. Then we put the bowl inside and we heat up the pot.
That way, there's no danger when we're mixing it up. It won't get burnt or get stuck onto the insides of the bowl.
While the adult mixes up the eggs and sugar until they are blended well, we'll prepare the molds for the muffin.
For that, we grab the molds and we smear them with butter.
That's it.
When we're done smothering them with butter, we'll sprinkle some flour over them. Thank you!
Now, we need to keep mixing the paste with a spoon until it cools down a little bit.
While Telmo is mixing the batter, I'll add 1 cup of flour. We don't put the cup inside, only the flour. The cup is just for measuring purposes.
I'm going to add the baking yeast.
Now, we add 10 tablespoons of butter. To your right! No, to your left! No, to your right!
My little cooks, to do that, you need to be a great chef. Like me.
Yes, of course.
We've added everything now, right, Tula?
We need to add the lemon shaving.
That's right.
Good. Now we put the shavings in the bowl and we mix it together a little more.
The dough for the muffins is ready.
Great! Now we just need to put the batter inside the molds. Perfect! Now we just need to put them in the oven.
And now for that, we will need the help of our grown-up.
Grown-up! Can you put the dough for the muffins in the oven for us, please?
And we let it bake for 12 minutes.
They're done.
They're wonderful!
Now be very careful because they're very hot. Don't touch them. And above all, don't touch the mold.
We need to wait a little while.
In the meantime, we'll add the final touches. We sprinkle a little powdered sugar on top of the muffins.
And while we're waiting to let them cool down, we'll go over the recipe. Ingredients for muffins: 7 ounces of white flour, 2 eggs, 4.5 ounces of sugar, 4.5 ounces of melted butter, thin lemon shavings, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, half an envelope of yeast, butter for greasing, and flour for the molds.
Uh-oh. I think I have a problem. Oops.
To your right! No,